So, of course, no? Okay lang. So, of course, thank you. I make it, a generalized statement lang kasi, as you all know, sinabihan kami sa loob na as much as possible to refrain from sharing information about PRRD. So, all I can say is that he's doing good and he's alive. And ayun, he's looking forward to the coming visits of the other family members, which will be his grandchildren. So, pag alis ni Kong Pulong ay dadating yung mga apo, and then sasamahan ko sila to teach them what to do inside, kung ano yung gusto ni PRRD. And then, when they're all settled, I can leave them here para sila na naman yung mag-take over with the visits.
Kailan po expected ang pag-uwi ni Kong Pulong?
I think, kailan ba ngayon? Within this or next week.
I see.
Na siya.
So you'll be here to shepherd the grandchildren?
Yes,
You
yes.
will be the big ate, no?
Yes.
Kalusugan
Tita
naman.
ako, pero yung mga pamangkin ko, malalaki na.
Oo.
Malalaki na. And also si VM, si Ligo,
Ligo.
si Kong Omar, and yung isa, yung babae,
They'll also
si
be
Isabel.
coming. Ay, very good, very good. Well, anyway, how does it look po? Health-wise naman.
Health-wise, he looks the same. I think that the fact that most of the family are here to visit, it makes him, makes him stronger mentally and physically and emotionally. So,
Ano pa ho ang mood niya ngayon? Smiling naman.
smiling naman, yes. Kasi, ayun, ang daming sinusumbong ni Kong Pulong na ginagawa ko na wala naman akong ginagawa. Ayun, yung parang kuya, tatay lang na ano. So yeah, it was a good talk with the both of them. The three of us had good and light conversations today. And ayun, we told him of the schedules ng mga dadating na family members in
And he
the
was, of
following
course, happy,
days.
no?
Yes,
Very
to
happy.
hear that.
Okay, well hindi na po kami magtatagal dahil umuulan and mga first timers they want a picture with you. Okay? Go